Hey everybody, Mark Sudduth here, 8:20 p.m. and look at that. There's Dorian just south of Cape Fear. Right there, Cape Fear in the Wilmington area is right up here. Let's draw on it a little bit. Let's use the color white. There we go. So Wilmington is right in here, and the eye of it, oh wow, it's so close to Cape Fear there with the northern part of the eye. And the deep convection confined around the center here. It's not too deep, so it's not like this thing is ramping up. One little burst right there on that western, southwestern side. Looks like this is going to come right up across the capes here, maybe across Cape Hatteras tomorrow. We'll see. So you folks in down east North Carolina, Carteret County, Pender County, think about Surf City up here through Sneed's Ferry, Emerald Isle, Atlantic Beach, Harker's Island, Morehead City, Beaufort, the inland areas along the Pamlico, Neuse Rivers. It's just going to get worse from here as Dorian tracks generally northeast, and it'll wobble along this track. It's not going to be a straight line, and it looks like, I guess, that it could make landfall up here somewhere in eastern Carteret County. Ocracoke, you could get the eye of this. And you folks up here along the North Carolina Outer Banks, myself included, I'm up in Rodanthe, we might get the eye. So what else do we see in this satellite loop? Those little white speckles that you see in there, those are lightning strikes still. Not a lot of them, but there's still enough. So maybe the tornado risk will diminish. Maybe. You never say never. And then the heavy rainfall spreading up to the I-95 corridor. Where is that? That's right through here, I-95, and then this is the I-40 area. By the way, this satellite loop through weathernerds.org, right there, see? That's the Weather Nerds site, and just wanted to point that out. So very heavy rain spreading inland, but things are improving back to the west over here. You look over in the Charleston area. Where's Charleston? Right about here, and then down to Savannah and the Hilton Head area, certainly all the way down into the northern parts of Florida, where you guys watch this. What an ordeal you went through. You know, I'm sorry that you had to go through that, but be grateful that you were prepared, hopefully you were, and that Dorian did not do to you what it did in the Bahamas, and hopefully the folks in the Bahamas will have swift aid coming their way. So that's the situation. I have several camera systems set up. I want to show you our dashboard. I'm real proud of this. This is so cool. This is what our subscribers, our patrons, helped to make happen. Look at that. All those cameras that we've got set up. We've got this nice digital dashboard where we can monitor everything. Here's our chat. And these are all of our members right here. You know, they're in the chat there. See, lots of folks there. So this is what you get if you become one of our patrons via Patreon. And I've talked about that before. And you just go to hurricanetrack.com. That's our brand. We've been around now for 20 years. And you click on this guy right here. Support this site. You become a $10 per month member. You can scale it back to $1 in the off season and stick around, and we're going to do a lot of original stuff and, you know, off season discussions, and then you can crank it back up again to 10, 25 bucks during the season to help support what we're doing, because that digital dashboard, I am so proud of this. I'm proud of all of you all that helped to make this happen. Just to give you an example, here's Carolina Beach. You can take these full screen. I've seen some people talking about this on Twitter. They're watching it. I don't want to say that they are enjoying it, but there's nothing available like this on the internet anywhere. And I wish I could have it all into an app, but even an app would not handle all of this. This has to be done on the web. And people still have laptops. See, that's what I'm using. So that's how we do it. That's the end game. That's what we do, my team and I, and it is supported by a lot of awesome people. And I appreciate that. I am done for now. Mark Sudduth, hurricanetrack.com in Rodanthe. I'll post another discussion in a few hours.